Hello folks, welcome back to Motivated Investing. Bitcoin has taken off like a rocket over the last few months, heading toward what those in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency community call the moon. The Bitcoin price smashed though its 2017 all-time highs this month, pushed by institutional adoption and support from payments giant PayPal, PYPL 2.3%. Now, after sparking speculation earlier this month, his electric car company Tesla TSLA plus 0.3% could add Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Elon Musk, who's also the chief executive of aerospace company SpaceX, has said a future Mars economy could be based on cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. Crypto exchange Coinbase has revealed SpaceX and Tesla both used its platform to purchase large sums of Bitcoin. The companies, both led by Elon Musk, transferred some of their vast cash reserves into cryptocurrency earlier this year after concerns from the tech billionaire and the flat currency was not a good store of value. At an event last month, Mr. Musk said that negative interest rates in Europe could even force Tesla to add to the $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment announced in February. Coinbase named both of Mr. Musk's companies as customers in its first quarterly earnings report since going public earlier this year. Q2 was a really strong quarter for us, said Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. During the earnings call, we had amazing growth in terms of users added to the platform, assets on the platform, revenue, just about everything. Mr. Armstrong added to this aim for Coinbase was to be the Amazon of assets, saying that truly a crypto economy is forming. Among the cryptocurrencies added to the platform in recent months was Dogecoin, which has seen price gains of more than 6,000% since the start of the year amid a massive market-wide rally that has attracted millions of new users to the space. But retail and institutional investors have flocked to cryptocurrencies with Bitcoin, building a reputation as a form of digital gold within some circles due to its finite supply. U.S. car insurance firm Metromile became the latest Nasdaq-listed firm to invest in Bitcoin, according to an SEC filing published this week, adding $1 million of the cryptocurrency to its books. It was not revealed which platform was used, but Coinbase remains by far the largest crypto exchange in the US. Coinbase net revenue of $2.23 billion in the second quarter was up from $178 million in the same period last year, while the number of verified users has now risen to more than 68 million. The better-than-expected figures caused the company's share price to surge in after-hours trading. Stock rose as much as 6% in regular trading on Wednesday after the crypto exchange reported second quarter earnings that crushed analyst expectations, boosted by a volatility-spurred jump in trading volumes. The largest crypto exchange in the US posted total second quarter revenue of $2.2 billion, of which $1.9 billion was transaction revenue and the remainder from subscriptions and services. Coinbase also revealed that it counts Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX as clients alongside as much as 10% of the top largest hedge funds. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Musk said in March that even Dogecoin could be added to Coinbase, responding to a rumor that Tesla was buying its Bitcoin on the platform. Coinbase eventually listed the meme-inspired asset in June. Coinbase stock rose to as much as $284.48 at Wednesday's market open, up from Tuesday's closing price of $269.67. The company said its quarterly profit was lifted by volatility in crypto asset prices as buyers and sellers made more trades to try to gain from the moves. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe and let us know what you think about it. Comment down below. This year's leading digital currencies, Bitcoin and Ether, have each declined over 45% after hitting all-time highs in the spring, as volatility and crypto asset prices are highly correlated with trading revenue. The crypto market environment heavily influenced our Q2 financial results, Coinbase said in a statement. Ether represented 26% of the exchange's total trading volumes, overtaking Bitcoin when its share of 24%. Total retail trading volume came in at $145 billion at 21% jump from the previous quarter. Coinbase said expanding interest in decentralized finance applications, not fungible token ecosystems. And the Ethereum blockchain networks 2.0 upgrade drove Ether's growth. We believe the products that the most crypto-forward people are using today, such as DeFi, will be used by mainstream customers soon, and by institutions soon after that, the exchange said. The number of retail users transacting at least once a month, known as MTUs, grew 44% from the first quarter to 8.8 million in the 3 months at June. But the tally dwindled along the trading volume in July as volatility declined significantly relative to Q2 levels, Coinbase said. With this in mind, the exchange expects trading volumes to be lower in the third quarter. CEO Brian Armstrong said in an earnings call. Musk also reiterated why he's attracted to Dogecoin, a tongue-in-cheek, meme-based cryptocurrency that was originally created as a joke over other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Doge community is somewhat irrelevant. It has great memes and doesn't take itself too seriously, Musk said, repeating the phrase he used before: the most entertaining outcome is the most likely one. Bitcoin has a lot of clever ideas, but parameters were set in 2008 or something. Musk said there have been some improvements since then, but not a lot. Last month, Bitcoin miners approved the most anticipated upgrade to the Bitcoin protocol since segregated witness in 2017. Now, as a taproot, it's expected to improve Bitcoin's privacy and efficiency via a new signature scheme called Schnorr that will replace Bitcoin's current elliptic curve digital signature algorithm, ESDSA. It makes sense to support something that improves the quality of information on which we conduct the economy. Bitcoin is a candidate for improving money from an information security standpoint. It does some things well, and it's involving, Musk said, pointing to Bitcoin's second layer, Lightning Network, that has been used to conduct near-instant Bitcoin transactions at low cost. But Bitcoin per SE is mostly solving for scarcity. Musk added naming Bitcoin's decentralized network, its open anonymous ledger, and its proven ability to resist interface as reasons he's supportive to it. But transaction volume is low, transaction cost is high. Usability for the average person is not yet. Coinbase wants to be the Amazon of assets by listing every crypto asset that is legal. It added 22 new assets in the second quarter. There are thousands of them today. There are eventually going to be millions of them, he said. Mr. Musk said he floated an idea to the SpaceX team of building a space heater then also function as cryptocurrency miner. I had this idea that was kind of off the wall, he says. What if a space heater was also a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin miner? It would make sense, he claimed, to have the heater serve a function beyond simply generating heat. The technology billionaire has proved divisive within the crypto community after his decision to allow Bitcoin payments for Tesla vehicles contributed to a price rally that saw the cryptocurrency hit a new all-time high above $60,000 in April. His subsequent announcement that crypto payments would be suspended due to environmental concerns of the Bitcoin network coincided with a major price crash that saw BTC lose more than half of its value. Mr. Musk said Tesla could soon begin accepting payments in Bitcoin once the firm has done its due diligence in evaluating the actual impact of Bitcoin on climate change. There appears to be a positive trend in the energy stage of Bitcoin, he said. He added that Tesla will reopen crypto payments when renewable energy is at or above 50% and that there is a trend towards increasing the number. He even hinted that negative interest rates in Europe could force Tesla to invest even more of its cash reserves in Bitcoin. Mr. Musk also encouraged Mr. Dorsey to begin accepting Bitcoin payments from advisors for Twitter. Let's do it, Mr. Dorsey responded. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.